Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the app not installed or compatibility error on Android. First, restart your phone. This may sound simple, but it often fixes small system bugs. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear the cache and data of the Google Play Store. Open Settings on your phone. Go to Apps or App Management. Find the Google Play Store and open it. Tap on Storage. Now tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This will reset the Play Store and fix many installation issues. If you see an app called Package Installer or Package Manager, open it and clear its cache and data as well. After that, check your phone storage. If your storage is almost full, apps may fail to install. If you are installing an app from outside the Play Store, you need to allow unknown sources. Open Settings and go to Apps. Tap Special App Access, then Install Unknown Apps. Choose the app you are using to install the file, like Chrome or File Manager. Turn on Allow from this source. Now go back and install the app again. After following all these steps, the app should install without the compatibility error. Thanks for watching.